Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. This is the second in our series of 10-minute breakfast recipes. Thank you for the wonderful response for our first episode. If you have not seen it, please go back and check on our channel. Now in today's 3 recipes for our 10-minute breakfast, the first we are having is a curd oats bowl. Come, let's see how to make our breakfast in 10 minutes. Here you have a lovely vegetable oats curd bowl. Here a moong sprouts and vegetable salad and a banana date smoothie. Here I have 1 cup of instant rolled oats. Now first we will just heat it for 1 or 2 minutes so that the rawness goes away. Now it is nice and hot also. Remove it into a bowl. Allow it to cool and come down to room temperature. The oats has now cooled down to room temperature. Now I have taken here fresh homemade curd. I will just whisk it well. Pour in this whisked curd into this oats. Add salt to taste. Here I have finely chopped half a carrot, peeled and chopped half a large cucumber I have taken, and about a tablespoon of chopped fresh coriander leaves. Now we will mix everything well together. Add a little more curd, so I am adding another half cup of curd to it. Now mix everything well together. It is all well mixed. Now the final half cup curd I will add. See, especially in these hot summers, you don't want to stand long hours in the kitchen in front of the stove. So this is actually a no cook recipe in the sense you might say, Amma, but you roasted the oats. Yes, you can roast it one day and then store it in a container to use whenever you want. So you have your roasted oats ready in a container. All you have to do is mix in the curds, salt and the vegetables. So our delicious, creamy, full of nutrition curd oats bowl is ready. You got the fiber and nutrition from the oats. You got the vitamins and minerals from all the vegetables. And it is really very cooling in these hot summers. If you like, you can even soak the oats for some time if you want a softer texture. And of course, you can adjust the consistency to less or more dilute, or just use half cup of oats and more of curd. You can adjust according to your preference. Next, again a no cook recipe. This is a dates and banana smoothie. For this I have taken 2 bananas, a glass of cold milk, 2 to 3 dates and 2 tablespoons of roasted peanuts. Peel and chop the ripe bananas into your blender jar. Add in the peanuts. Remember to de-seed the dates, that is, remove the seeds from the dates and then add it. Now add in a glass of cold milk and we will blend all this together into a refreshing smoothie. See, our smoothie is blended and ready. We can now pour it out into our glasses. Enjoy this cool, refreshing smoothie for breakfast too. And the speciality of it is, you would have noticed, we didn't add any sugar in it. No white sugar, jaggery powder, brown sugar, nothing. The sweetness comes naturally from the dates. Try it out. Next, we'll make a simple and healthy sprout salad. I had taken 1 cup of whole green moong, soaked it in water and then kept it for sprouting. I had kept it on this plate, this draining plate. See, can you see? And the roots are all coming out through this. So this is the plate which I generally use for draining out something when I deep fry. So, and actually the sprouts were ready in 2-3 days. See, lovely long sprouts we have got. But I had some problem, my wrist had a sprain, so I just kept it aside for 2-3 days more, and they have all grown up into nice. The shoots have all come up so well. It's so nice to admire the beauty of nature. See, so beautiful. From that one moong sprout, see how the root, shoot, everything has developed. And these greens are very good for health. So you need not wait so long, of course. In 36 to 48 hours, your sprouts will develop well. Wash the whole moong, wash it very well. Soak it in water for one night. Then drain the water and place it out in any bowl like this, or tie it in a cloth, whichever is convenient. Cover it with a damp cloth and keep sprinkling water from time to time, and you will get lovely large sprouts like this. Can you see this? So beautiful. These sprouts can be eaten raw as it is, no problem. But some people feel they might have some issues with digestion, or they don't like the flavor of the raw sprouts. For the benefit of those who don't like to eat raw sprouts, I am going to steam it today. I have taken out the moong sprouts on a steamer plate. Here my steamer, I have kept some water for boiling. We will just place this here and steam it for just 3 to 4 minutes, that will do. Let's have a look at our sprouts now. They have steamed well and they don't have that raw smell anymore. So I will switch it off. Take it out and allow it to cool. Now let it come down to room temperature. The steamed sprouts have cooled down now. Take them in a bowl. Add some chopped tomatoes, some chopped onions, salt, and lemon juice, about 1 or 2 tablespoons. Add some roasted peanuts for extra crunch. Mix everything well together. Finally, top it up with some fresh coriander leaves. This sprout bowl is a perfect, healthy, nutritious way to start your day. I have not added any green chilies. If you want, you can add. You can even perk it up with a sprinkle of chaat masala. Those are all your own add-ons for your personal preference. Green moong is low calorie, good source of protein, fiber, and when you sprout it, the vitamin C goes up nearly up to 20 times. It is said that half a cup of green moong, sprouted moong, has got enough vitamin C as much as 6 cups of orange juice. So try to include this sprouted beans. If it is moong, it's fine, or any other beans also, it's okay. Sprouts in your diet for increasing the vitamin C level too. Some of you might ask me in the comments, Geeta, how are you saying 10 minutes? We need 2 days to make the sprouts, and also we need 4 or 5 minutes to roast the oats for the oats curds bowl. Yes, I agree. But those are jobs which can be done ahead of time. You can make sprouts, store it in a bowl and keep it in your fridge, use it throughout the week. There is no problem at all. Similarly, oats also you can roast it and keep it ready in a box. Whenever you want, you have to just take it out, add some curd, salt and vegetables and have it too. So the process of actually making it, and of course the first 2 recipes are absolutely no cook recipes. Third recipe, optional cooking. If you want, you can steam. Otherwise, you can make that also as a no cook recipe. Hope you enjoyed making these simple 10-minute healthy and nutritious breakfast recipes. And thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen. Share the recipes with your family and friends. We'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.